All right, guys, we're going to go through right now how to use a foam roller on your thoracic spine. One of the issues with our thoracic spine is it can get so stuck in flexion and it forgets how to come all the way back upright, and it definitely forgets how to extend. So this is going to be using a foam roller as a tool to help reinduce some of that extension into our spine. Okay, roller me. All right, so you're going to go on your back. Foam roller is going to go across. Just so you're aware, your thoracic spine, where we're focusing, is where your ribs start at the bottom. So you don't want to go all the way down into your lumbars. You want to start where the ribs start. And you're just going to start by rolling, and giving yourself a big hug helps get your shoulder blades out of the way. And you're just going to roll up and down, and this is just going to warm the joints up. It's going to warm the muscles up. You might hear a couple clicks and pops, and that's fine. And then what you're going to do, once everything has been warmed up, is you're going to then start at the bottom of your spine, and you can even put your butt down on the floor. And then I usually put my hands behind my neck like this, and you just do essentially like a reverse crunch. You're folding yourself backwards over it, coming back up. Do a few reps at one segment, roll it up a little bit, do a few reps there. Then you roll it up, do some reps there. Once you get into your upper thoracic spine, you end up losing a lot of your leverage, so it gets more challenging. So still try to get it as high as you can in that thoracic spine. And then when you get to the top, you're done. Do that twice a day and help re-educate your thoracic spine on how to go into extension. Thanks.